What's going on, everybody? As you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are getting a new project. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Hayden. That's Carlos.
What's up, guys?
What we're about to show you here in just a second, once our friend gets here. Some of you guys will recognize this, but some of you guys won't. So here in just a second, once Charlie gets here, we'll show you guys what we're gonna be getting.
This is Hayden Wilson, and welcome to his crib. Let's check out the fridge.
About to eat some of their leftovers.
Bro, what?
Some fries?
Bro, I'm not eating that. I don't know how.
It's probably been.
How old that is?
It's probably been in there for a while.
Here, let's just do the ranch test.
All right, bro. Let's
do the ranch test. How old is this ranch?
Right here. January 20. It's almost out of
20.
That thing's old.
Oh, okay.
It's almost out.
What is going on here?
It looks like they drew this on there.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool.
Charles.
This is my favorite part right here.
If anybody's been wondering, this is what Charles has been up to.
He's working on this masterpiece.
Yeah. Working on their beer pong table. Yeah.
Surprise!
Charles?
What's up, dude? Dang.
Alright, so you guys can see, this is Charles's old wagon. Yeah. I mean, and it's all of its glory, literally the same setup that he just did to it. It's just, I don't know, did you even make a video on what happened to it?
No.
Okay. So I mean, you want to tell him what happened to it?
I was driving it on break-in and...
Look at this dude, he's stuck over here in a four-wheel drive Jeep.
That's a two-wheel drive
Jeep.
Yeah.
He done messed up. This is like tires too.
He's trying to crawl on the ice pad.
That's like that one thing, like.
R.I.P.
Whatever.
But anyway, so you want to tell him what happened to it?
Yeah, so it lost oil pressure on break-in and started knocking.
Lightly?
Yeah.
And he just lost all
I
motivation
literally,
to do
yeah,
anything
I was
with it.
just like, this car. Yeah.
So, and then now, we gonna get it and return it back to all of its glory.
Yeah.
All big old turbo out the hood and everything. We're gonna leave it exactly how
We're gonna.
I hope it's something simple where we could just,
It's just, dude,
like
it's
maybe
honestly
like
just
crank
a
and
bearing.
bearings.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I know what it is. You can barely hear it, but like I heard it, shut it off, and towed it home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Well,
I looked at it every day for
we'll
like
stay
4
with your.
months, and then I was like,
Your
I
sick
don't want
ass.
it.
We'll stay with your sick custom setup.
Yeah, we'll stay with your goals and try and make all the power that we can.
Yeah.
But yeah,
car,
this is it. What is it? It's a Y.
This is Z6.
It's a Z6?
Yeah.
It's a D6.
Told you, bro.
Z6.
It's got a lot of cool parts.
Sleeve block, nice head.
Yeah. I get like eBay shit is like stupid.
Like the turbo stuff. Yeah, like stuff that we always do.
Yeah.
It's got like nice injectors.
The
on
only
it.
thing that's stock on the engine is like the intake manifold.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Well, the good news is that the Jeep made it out,
Yeah.
She just drove over the sidewalk.
right?
Whatever. But alright. So yeah. Let's go ahead and then if anybody doesn't know either, this is all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So should be pretty fun.
Yeah.
And then maybe like I'll make it into like a daily too or something. I don't know.
See, I wanted to get my Integra all-wheel drive, but I guess this will do.
This will be. It's so weird. I didn't think I'd ever own another EF.
Me neither.
And then
Yeah,
now-
it's crazy.
Ever since my CRX, I was like, dude, them things suck. But then this thing's just so much fun.
It is.
So
This car is like a stripper. You gotta throw money to keep having fun though.
yeah. All right, let's go ahead and load it up.
Who's driving?
Okay.
He can drive. He's got it. We'll push.
One last time, dude. We'll try to make some boosts, but I don't know.
Yeah, my one condition is that you don't ever ask me to help on this car.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what about if we have you drive it?
What?
After we get it back up.
You're running drive it. You drive it again?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. That's the only
I
thing.
have beef with this car.
Yeah. Oh crap.
Do you really? Oh, okay. Is it tight?
Yeah.
You gotta do the dad thing.
Huh?
You have to do the dad thing.
Dad thing.
Yeah, you have to say, oh yeah, that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, that's not going nowhere. Got it all loaded up. Just gotta go pay the man, and then we'll go take it back to the house.
Next month, remember? You said that.
Huh?
This thing goes flying up, so I might have to hold the handle. Hey, bro. If it gets stolen, I know where you live. If you have so many keys for it.
Trust me, I don't want that thing anymore. I can steal it. If anything, I'd steal your wallet.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna make it like a push to start button too.
Feel right at home in there or what?
Alright guys, so we just got back to the shop, got the car unloaded. Real quick, I just wanted to tell you guys some of the parts that's on this. So this is a D16, it says D6. It's got a sleeved block. It's O-ring, it's got the bigger head studs in it, because if some of you guys remember, he was having issues snapping heads, and then I think he actually stripped the threads in the block. So I'm hoping the block is still good. It has some type of forged pistons in it too. I don't know, I don't remember what brand he told me, but it also has some Skunk 2 Alpha rods. So it's got some good rods. It's got a nice competition stage 5 clutch in it now too. It has dual valve springs and retainers up top. It's got some cam in it also. It's got some 2200cc injectors, a 450 Walbro, and it's got this eBay T76 turbo. I don't know much about it.
It's a freaking monster, bro.
It looks huge. It looks a little bit ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and the plans for this thing. I mean, clean it up. You put a catch can on it. Kind of go over some of the stuff, make sure everything's good. Tomorrow, the plan is tomorrow, come back, pull the motor out, take it apart, see what's actually wrong with it. Because if you guys heard Charlie, he said that it started lightly knocking. So hopefully it's nothing too bad. What I'm hoping is we could just maybe get, worst case scenario, a crank or just maybe some bearings. I imagine if it spun a bearing that fast, it probably needs a crank. So that's probably why it spun a bearing that fast. So worst case scenario, we get a crank and some bearings, and then we make like 300-400 horsepower and have some fun. So if it needs like rods and stuff, I hate these D series, and so does Charlie, and so does everybody else. That's why most people don't do D series stuff. So if it needs more than just a crank and some bearings and a head gasket, obviously, then we are gonna probably end up swapping it. So, but I'm pretty positive it's just gonna need a crank and some bearings and a head gasket. So
what kind of swap?
We're gonna K-swap it for sure if we swap it.
K-swap it.
K-swap it, like that one right there. Maybe not as fancy as that one.
Yeah, no.
I mean,
definitely more budget for sure.
Yeah, a little bit more of a budget thing. I don't want this to take away a lot from the RX-7. I just want this to be something simple and like a lot of fun for the channel. So, and it was one of those things where I wanted to get another Honda, and Charlie ended up having it. So we got this Honda, and it should be a pretty cool project for us, and should be a lot of fun for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited, and I think it's gonna do it for this video. We're gonna go, me and Carl's gonna go get some food, and then tomorrow we'll be pulling this motor out and assessing the damage, and then seeing if we're gonna need a K-swap or if we're gonna leave this D-series in there.
When you put it like that, man, it sounds like, oh man.
I mean, I don't know. A K-swap would be cool, but at the same time,
I really want this to work, just because, I mean, this, I feel like it's, you know, at a point where it's
done.
close. It's almost done, you know. So
yeah, it doesn't need nothing fancy. Oh, this thing does have a Honda on it too. I didn't mention.
So Hayden's gonna learn to tune some Honda.
Yeah, I want to try and learn how to tune the Honda and all that good stuff. So
see, that's my trick. I get him to learn how to tune Honda. Eventually, well, he might as well tune Infinity.
Yeah, I'm down. I want to learn. I want to learn. So, anyways, that's the plan, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna get some food. Adios.
Adios. He has no idea how much.
Motherfucker, Jesus Christ.
What's up? What are you doing? I've been watching you for like 20 minutes, bro. I'm like, someday he'll come out here.
Holy shit.
You get scared or what?
God, yeah. I was not expecting you to be out here.
I thought about calling you, but I figured if I scared you, it'd be funnier. You alright? Did you get a little mini heart attack or what?
I mean, not that bad.
You look pretty scared.
Shit out of me. That was like... Wyatt's such a hater.
Is he Hayden?
Yeah, I told Wyatt.
Oh, you're Hayden.
At Wyatt, I hope you're ready to build a D-series, boy.
What'd he say?
He said no.
He said no?
Yeah, he said no.
Just like that? No.
Yeah. Ready to go rat-ta-ta-ta-ta?
Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta?
Yeah.
Is that what the sounds that this makes or
I
what?
guess this one doesn't like bang lumber all hard because it doesn't spin.
Uh-huh. that's gonna be a fun thing though about it. I feel like not spinning.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Basically, be like a.
We're trying to win races, bro. Not just
like
have Spin City.
Like an Evo, but like 1,000 pounds lighter.
Yeah. I mean, from the videos I saw of this car, it's gonna take out Evos and some other pretty quick cars, you know?
It's gonna be so much fun, dude. Like ripping it in the snow, and then maybe we can do some stuff with Kyle's too.
Yeah.
You know.
What do we? The important thing is though,
the OG Wagos are reunited in the same garage.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
Yeah, but the important thing is, what are we doing about all the mouse shit?
Yeah, there's a lot of mouse shit in it. Charles has just had this thing been sitting. He hasn't done anything with it for like almost a year and a half.
It was nice enough to include that for us and not charge us for it.
We'll have to clean it tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Vacuum it out, clean it all. He's never ever cleaned this thing, so all kinds of fun though. It's not that, it's pretty clean other than that, so it's a pretty clean little Civic wagon.
Yeah, I mean,
as far as Civic wagons go.
I mean, what year is it?
It's a 91.
91?
It's a 91.
Nice. 91. Just like your CRX.
Check and see if this thing still has a drive shaft.
Just like your CRX, huh?
Oh, it's still got a drive shaft.
Maybe you should have checked that before.
Got a drive shaft.
Go say hi to the elf, Hayden.
That dude probably drunk as fuck.
Look at him, look at him. I wish I could zoom in with this GoPro.